Hello everyone! I will be showing you how to do this super simple wash and go style today. It's quick, cute, and a great way to keep hair out of your face. So I'm going to start by detangling Alethia's hair. I'm using our As I Am Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner today. So I'm going to take some in my hands, rake it through her hair, and I'm going to use a comb to detangle. Now to create the section we will be braiding, I'm going to make a side part in her hair, and you can make this section as thick as you want, but you're going to bring it across the head to a little behind the ear on the opposite side of the side part you made. Now tie off or clip back the rest of the hair, and you're going to braid that front section across the head. Once you have your braid, go ahead and let down the rest of the hair. You are going to section about the top third of the hair that is down at the back. It doesn't have to be a super perfect part here. Now join the braid into the section you just parted and tie it off with an elastic. This is it. It is super cute and super easy to do. I hope you like it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.